On this video, we're going to take a look and install these shower bathroom shelves with an adhesive hook. This adhesive sticks the same to porcelain or glass, ceramic, whether it's glazed or matte, but you want to make sure you degrease the surface first. Wipe it clean, make sure it's dry, then apply this. You do want to wait about 24 hours after you adhere the sticker and hang these before placing anything in there. Now they are strong enough to hold about 10 pounds worth, but I wouldn't recommend going anything over. If you have the old poles, the adjustable poles, you know how difficult it is to clean around them. They always hold mold and gunk. With these, you have no issue. All you do is take this backing off and you apply it on both sides. These plastics will probably not come off, but they do snap to here. All right. So yes, if you bang it and kick it, they'll obviously break off. However, for day-to-day use is normal. Now, this is the current and existing pole. Now, these are pretty expensive. This is probably 45 bucks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace them. You can move it and take it out. We're just using it as a grill oven. Awesome degreaser. Now, so the fastest way to install this is to take the adhesive off both of them. Rotate one on the inside so the adhesive is pointing in. This one, have it pointed out. Position this where you want it. And apply this one first. Okay, now we're going to press this in because we want to make sure that that is in the corner. Okay, just going to. Now this one's not stuck yet, right? But we can't really rotate it, but that's okay. Now once that's in, we pull this back and then we rotate this out. And now we press this one in and position it one more time how we want it. Ooh, sometimes. Just doesn't go the way we want it. Alright, now we take this, we flip this around, and then we press this in. Okay, now we just position this straight, tighten this up, press this in, take this off, pull this out, and now we tighten this. We leave this for about 5 minutes. We put this on, and then we leave this without anything on it for about 24 hours, and then you can start putting your shampoos on. This would ensure that there's the highest level of adhesion. You can still turn on the shower though, which is the one anything to come behind. All right. Go. Nice and clean. So this is the before and this is the after.